Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see one of the interesting component page item select one. I'm just using my cloud account Apex 24.2 version to demonstrate this page item concept. So let us begin. So in this video, I just created a page select one, and under that I'm going to create one page item and I'm going to name it as select one. After that, I'm going to select the type as select one. You can see there are different list of options available. Under that, I'm going to select one option. So after selecting, I'm just going to the below to the source to give a list of values LOVs. In that, I'm going to select SQL query for time being. So in that SQL query, I'm going to make some query. So select one D and one return from dual. So union all. So I'm just going to copy this. So and I'm going to edit this 2 and 2. This is 3 and 3. So now I just created a SQL super resource. Now I'm going to run this. So now you can see one page item is created, and on clicking on this you are getting some list of values. So this is the enhanced version of select list. Actually you will be seeing in the types there will be select list. This is the next version of select list. That is, in select list you will get only the list of values, but here you have the option for searching. So you can search the values from here and it will list down the values from this. So this is somewhat enhanced and updated version of that page item. So what are the properties or what are the features available with this, we will see in this video. So I'm just going to this page item and I'm going to scroll up. So here you can see I just selected select one. Under that you can see one of the value called maximum values in list. That is, in this you can see here, and clicking on this you are getting three options. If you have multiple values, then you will get multiple options. To restrict this to enhance the performance, so we will be using this maximum values in the list. For example, if I given 2 and I am just running this, so on clicking on this you will be seeing only two values. That is, it is restricted the values remaining value. But if you search that value, the third will be searched, but it will not be displayed in the drop down. So that is the advantage of using this. It will enhance some performance. So likewise, fetch on searches, like on typing, you will be it will search the values, and this is value HTML expression. So if you want to customize your display, the drop down, you can mention your HTML statements here. For example, you can mention a span tag. Within that you're going to display your page item values, and you need to apply some CSS stylings. So what are the customization you want? You can write your HTML statement within this HTML expression, and you need to reference this with underscore D and dot. This is the column value, display value. So I just mentioned D as my display value or as a return value. So using this you can reference that value. It will be applied there. Then here under search there are two options, contains and searched with. For example, if you are searching some value, then if you selected the start with, then only the starting letter of that typed value will be fetched. Suppose you are typing O, then the starting words words start with O letters will be fetched. For example, one, online, like that. So if you mention this contains, then if the letter is somewhere between the words, then the words will be fetched. So minimum characters is again the same. If you are typed only one character or two character, after that the search should be initiated. Then you can mention the number of characters. If it is 0 means at the initial stage itself it will search for the thing. So and here no data found. So no data found is here you can see I'm just searching something, so I'm searching for. So you can see the value is not in the list of values, so I'm getting no matches found. This is the no data found. You can mention your custom message. For example, search not found, search not found in LOV. So like that you can mention your custom message and you can run this thing. So now I'm just searching, then you can get the custom message, search not found LOV. So these are the things. So customized LOV that no data found message you can mention here. This is, you know, this is the alignment spot, so like column width and new row, these things. And the templates also, it's as usual when compared to the other page item templates, value record. And the source is like there are different types of source like shared component, SQL query, static values. We have used SQL query, and this also supports cascading LOV. If you don't know what is the cascading list of values, you can check my previous video. I just mentioned separate video for cascading list of values, so you can use you can reference that video. So remaining and all same. So what is the major difference between select list and here is select list you will be like a traditional way of displaying things, but here somewhat enhanced with the search functionality and other kind of things. Thank you.